Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your emergency fund with Bank of America. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your emergency fund with Bank of America, start by logging into your online banking account. Visit the official Bank of America website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Select the account you want to use for your emergency fund. Click on the Transfer option. Choose Transfer to another account. Select the account from which you want to transfer funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Make sure to set the transfer date. Review your transfer details carefully. If everything looks correct, click on the Submit button. Confirm the transfer by reviewing the confirmation screen. Once confirmed, you'll receive a notification about the transfer status. To monitor your emergency fund, go back to the Accounts section. Check your balance to ensure the transfer was successful. Consider setting up automatic transfers to regularly contribute to your emergency fund. This will help you build your fund consistently over time. Remember to review your progress periodically. Adjust your contributions as your financial situation changes. This method will help you effectively reset your emergency fund with Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.